I put my friends in that old Benz and took that to the coast. It ain't no thing to do my thing, it's what I do the best. I filled my mattress, paid my taxes, then I blew the rest. And it's okay to do your thing, but just don't do the least. I quit my boss and cooked that sauce and fed that too.
What up, Team Buckhouse? We're back at Eldora. We had to come back because just the ability to lap the park with the park-specific chairlift is just so awesome, so fun. Also, the features, it's just a well-built park. It's a Woodward park here at Eldora. So we're gonna have an incredible day today. Once again, we're just trying to progress in the park, but also kind of get back to end of season level as early as possible throughout the year. So we can absolutely murder it this season. So here we go. It's gonna be a good day today. Topic of the day is send it. The rail's a little weird. Doesn't have a landing. You got a hard turn. Oh, rainbow box, and then the rail on the right.
Rainbow, and then to the rail.
And then the jump, and then the rainbow, and then the little rail.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day, guys. All right, the sun's coming out. Here we go. I had it. I could have done it. Before I get broke off. So I couldn't tell if this was a ride-on or not. I didn't think it was. And it's borderline not a ride-on. But it's in the shade. It kind of got highlights on. I couldn't tell. But I'm really excited about this feature. Last time I came in from the side, it was a little sketchy. But I wanted to make sure I stopped this time and looked at it instead of just riding in, clipping my nose and getting broke off. So now I know how to get into this feature.
Side jump.
Side hit. Yeah, like that's way better. Man, this park is so fun. It's got a perfect mixture of like beginner warm-up features to like heavy, gnarly features. Snow is incredible today. The sun is out. Literally, we're gonna have an incredible day today. They put in new features from the last time we were here. So I'm just stoked. Cody, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
We're gonna get some laps with Cody today. Overall, it's kind of nice that we're not here with 7 people.
Yeah, we can just charge.
Yeah, it's just me and you. Like last time we had like literally 7 people here with us, which was cool. Group shredding is tons of fun. Sometimes the 2 is never a bad thing. Just the 2 of us. We can make it if we try, just the 2 of us. All right, enough talk. Here we go. Enough singing. Let's go. Yeah, Cody.
That was scary.
Get a 360 off this hill is what we've been working up towards. Wow. I almost died. That bonk was way too much. Oh, come on. I almost feel like you can hit that and then hit the jump. Trying to make them feel good. All right, we gotta get this front 3. I want it. I think I know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, yeah. Scared myself on that run. So that pill's kind of being a pain in my butt. I'm not gonna lie. I'm locked in on a trick. I want to get a 360 off of that so bad, but it's just the weird angle and every way it's all set. I'm just not getting it. The speed's like not really there. But we're gonna keep trying it. Sometimes in a day, guys, you got to just commit to just going over and over and over for the thing that you want. I'm not slamming on it. I'm at least completing it every single time. So sticking with what I'm doing, sadly, might not be great for you guys, but for me, it's I got to do it. I got to get this trick. I want it. I'm gonna get it. But you know what's not a pain in the butt? Today's sticker shout out. We got Elijah_Gilbert18 with the Galaxy sticker on the helmet, looking insane, man. As well as we got David Fane Kitchen with the Green Evolution sticker on the helmet, looking insane. Guys, we have the Evolution sticker, but for the ski gang out there, we also have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. But if you love what I'm doing and you want to support the dream, please consider snagging Evolution sticker, as well as the Evolution windbreakers. They're now available, not the camel one, the blue with gold with the collar like this guy, and then the black with white with a hood. 2 different styles, 2 different colorways. The windbreakers are game changers. I'm wearing it right now. It's a hot day. You can go hoodie status like Cody, but if the wind kicks in, your nipples are gonna get all hard. With windbreaker, you're solid. Also, you're still waterproof
like
and everything.
A problem.
As well as the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys. All the merch is linked in the description. Thank you to everybody that is snagging the merch, making this dream possible. The traveling is about to start, so thank you so much for supporting the dream, guys. If you do snag it though, tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus extra content, and the TikTok. Both are blowing up, and we're posting like short form other content that we film on the mountain on those platforms. Cody's been helping out a ton this season with it and crushing it. Let's give Cody some credit where credit is due. We were at what, 75,000 on TikTok now or something
like that.
I said we were gonna hire this dude for a reason, and he did it. We're crushing it.
We 10x'd.
Boom. And our goal for the season was 30,000 on TikTok, so that's a win. It's all
More than double.
now we can just stop, I guess.
Yeah.
Psych.
TikTok's over.
We're done with TikTok. We dominated it. But yeah, guys, with that, more park riding. I hope you're having fun. I'm having fun.
I'm having fun.
Fun time. Here we go. Happy, happy, dance, dance. Happy, happy, dance, dance. So I'm ending every run with my heart like, so we're doing something right. Subscribe. Might be beating a dead horse at this point, but whatever. I'm still really scared of this rail. It has to be a forward slide.
I'm scared to look at it.
Oh my goodness. We're done. We're not. I wanted to 3 out. I wanted to hit like that. It's just not there, guys. You win some, you lose some. We lost that one. Still fun. Oh, come on. Somebody come get her, cause she's acting like a... I need to like pick one or the other, either 5 on the rail or 3 on the jump. Not both. I messed both
I was
up.
gonna say, I think you're getting in your head.
Ah. There's no way, man.
Hit it from the bottom.
Yeah, we should try that.
That's a Benton trick.
So today is going so sick, but it's good to drink water while you're out here on the mountain. But we're gonna transition to today's video sponsor, which is like kind of drinking water, but like, here, you'll see. Gamer Sup. This is a water-infused energy drink. So when we're out here like, ripping on the mountain, instead of coming into the lodge and grabbing a Red Bull, a Monster for that midday pick-me-up, that's stuff that's really just gonna kind of make you kind of crash, not feel too great, especially because your body's asking for water. So what you do is you fill up a cup of water, get your little Gamer Sup packet, pour it in, you're gonna get the energy that you need, but you're also gonna get the water that you really, really need. The reason why I like Gamer Sup so much is it was started for video gaming and helping you focus, but I feel like on the mountain it helps me focus in the park and on the rails and all that stuff like that. So that's why I enjoy drinking this in the middle of the day, kind of like a midday pick-me-up as I'm out there ripping, and then once again I get that liquid to stay hydrated out on the mountain. It's hard to drink out of a cup with them. I've actually never tried that flavor before. It's delicious. They actually have so many flavors too. My favorite one, that's gonna sound a little weird, is Avocado Gamer Fart 9000. It's a specific gamer's flavor, but it tastes like Baja Blast. It's so good. But these are the little trial packets. The normal powder comes in a little container, but with the trial packets, you can go online right now and order some for yourself and try it out. If you like it, make sure you use my link in the description and then use code BUCK10 to save yourself 10% off your order, and it supports the dream as well. So with that, let's go back to, well, let's drink this and then let's go back to hitting the slopes. All right, back to it. All right, we got a compliment, here we go. Feeling good. It was like everything was perfect other than So these park days are like my favorite kind of days, but I never know what to title them because like we're just snowboarding. So I don't know. What do we title this stuff? Ooh. Ooh. Keep it going. Keep it going. You were like 3 inches from being the sickest butterer around.
I was trying to, Benson taught me this, his butter thing the other day.
Yeah, the edge to edge.
Yeah.
There you go. Not gonna lie, guys, this is a perfect windbreaker day. Me and this pill just today, we're not friends.
Not buddies.
Not getting nothing on it. It was like, we're good, and then I saw her coming down and I like lost.
Yeah, I was trying to tell you to wait.
I swear, we'll get a trick on the pill today, guys, I promise.
If not, you could just dub mine over a few times.
Yeah, just
Every run is the same hit of me.
just go ahead. There we go. Oh! We're so close. Next time, I gotta stop higher.
Almost got a rock to fakie.
Ah, so you gotta be going so fast. No! We had it. We're not leaving until we get that one today.
That's the one we're battling for?
Yeah, that's the new battle.
Yeah!
We'll have to review the video. I might have came a little sideways, but we did it! Let's go, guys. That's what snowboarding's all about. Just picking something fun to do, trying your hardest to get it. We did it! We'll go jump on the chairlift and we'll review the footage. So, after video review, it's not bad, but I think it could be a little better. We'll try it one more time, see if we can get it a little better. But that's sick. I can't believe I thought of it. It's such a Benton trick, but stoked we got it. I'm sure Benton will be so proud of me. I've been losing weight and I can't keep my pants up. I gotta get a belt.
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground.
Acting like a fool with your pants on the ground. So I saw the park crew guy go after this, and it didn't help my fear. Like, I got even more scared. There we go.
That was clean.
That one just felt way better.
It looked way better. You got a lot more speed.
Woo! All the other kids. All right. So if you guys can take anything away from today, and the title of this video and what I'm trying to put together here is persistence. It takes repetition and tries. Like, I've never gone up to the mountain and hit a feature before. Like, never done it. And it was weird to figure out. It took a bunch of attempts, probably like 10 tries to get it. So like maybe you're trying to do your first 50-50 or your first board slide, or maybe your first backside 360. It will take a bunch of attempts. Every time you do it, you might get a little closer. I don't know if you saw with that progression, it was like a little closer, a little closer. Oh, we did it, but we can clean it up now. And so when it comes to progressing in the park or just with snowboarding in general, nothing beats repetition. Time on snow, attempt after attempt after attempt. If you're not getting 360s, but you only threw 3 in the day, maybe go throw 10 more and you might get that 360. I thought that guy was gonna die. But yeah, repetition is king. And that's the biggest key, the biggest takeaway for getting good in the park or just progressing in snowboarding. If you want to progress in snowboarding, keep trying, keep giving reps. And that guy did die.
My God.
To the moon. And these guys are out here sending it, no joke. All right, we got a couple more in us. Actually, this one's chipmunk. Here we go. Not my best front threes. It does like drop you out of the sky, and front three is my harder rotation. So maybe it'll pay off in the long run. But we out of here, and I'm not even interested in these features. Yeah. Playing my jam. I didn't get it.
That's the cleanest thing you've done all day.
Trying to stand away from that music. But guys, what a sick day. Once again, it's about just going after something, picking it for the day, not giving up on it. I mean, sometimes you gotta give up on it. Like I gave up on the tube, but then we found a different trick. We went for it. We just had fun, you know, kept it mellow, kept it fun, progressed a little bit today. I felt like I learned a bunch. And once again, we came back to Eldora just to get lap after lap. So guys, get out there, try it, send it, have a blast. With all that, guys, thank you so much for shooting with me today. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, because it's daily on this channel.